everyone, today I'm going to be doing a demo of a Carry Crunchy bath bomb. This one is called Sparkling Blue Raspberry Galaxy Bath Bomb and it retails for $5.50. They have it described as a sweet and bubbly blue raspberry smell, and I think it smells like the Bottle Caps candy. It smells really good. It has that effervescent kind of scent to it as well, and lots of pretty colors on this. So I'm excited to stick this in and see what it looks like. Alright guys, our bath bomb is all fizzed out. As you can see, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color water. We have beautiful bath art on the top and it smells so lovely. I love this smell. I definitely smell that blue raspberry, but just it has that little bit of effervescence to it, which goes with that bubbly blue raspberry. It smells really good. So I'm gonna fill up my tub the rest of the way and hop on in. I'll be back with what I thought afterwards. Alright guys, I am finished with my bath bomb. As you can see, we do have a little bit of cleanup in the tub. The color did transfer onto my skin a little bit. Now, as far as that, when I take a bath, I pretty much lay in the same spot the entire time, don't really move around. So that's probably why it was sticking to me. I did hop in the shower afterwards and scrub myself off, and it comes right off. And as far as the tub goes, this will too. This is all gonna wash right down, and everything on the side of the tub is going to wipe right off too. So just a little bit of cleaning, but overall the bath bomb itself was very moisturizing. The scent was strong. I still smelled it. I went downstairs for a drink, came back up, and I could smell it out in my hallway, and the watercolor was absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you guys thought down below. If you're not already subscribed, just hit that button and join me next time. I'm going to be doing a demo of a Bomb Diggy bath bomb. This one is called Slow Jams. I will see you next time.